Me too. Do you want to have some spicy ramen or a burger? Actually, I
Prefer?
uh, prefer healthy food
Right now.
right now. That's a good point. How about a warm bowl or
Uh,
chicken soup? Sound great. Let's go. Let's go for.
let's go, fine.
Let's go find
Uh,
a restaurant. Well, the Indonesian style has a great
selection.
selection of chicken soup. Let's grab
Uh,
a table
of
of
it.